not be necessary. I'll be fine. The doctor's not been right yet, has he? Team P. Where are the imperial winders of the Nightingale? I wish to hear my bird sing.
Oh, I really don't think it's a good time to hear the Nightingale.
What do you mean it's not a good time? I thought this was my bedchamber. Go get our Japanese friends. Tell them that they are needed.
But I really...
Now!
Your Majesty, you must not become agitated. Your heart cannot take much more.
We are sorry, Your Greatness.
We were only gone for a minute.
Your job is to stay with my Nightingale at all times. I can't have just anyone minding my jeweled bird when I wish to hear it sing. You of all people should know how delicate an instrument it is. The Nightingale has also brought me great pleasure and must be properly cared for at all times.
It will not happen again, Your Majesty.
See that it doesn't. Now, I wish to hear the Nightingale sing.
I'll be going now.
No need to rush. I know how much you enjoy hearing my Nightingale sing. Besides, you seem a little tense today. This will help soothe your spirits. What have you done?
Someone has broken the Nightingale.
Team P? Why are you in such a hurry to leave? Do you know anything about this?
Well, I might know a little something.
I'm waiting.
Well, I was in here folding your robes.
Yes.
And I was singing the Nightingale song.
Yes.
And I realized that no one was around.
Yes.
Tonight, I kind of walked over.
And you broke my Nightingale! You know what the penalty for unauthorized winding of the Nightingale is? Chamberlain, what's the penalty?
The doctor fixed.
The penalty for unauthorized winding is a trampling by the entire...
That seems fair. Given that you've deprived the entire court of its song. On the other hand, I would rather have the bird fixed. You have until sundown.
Oh, thank you, your most gracious majesty. I won't let you down.
If you do disappoint me, your punishment shall be doubled.
Yes, your majesty. Doctor, please see what you can do.
I'm not sure I'm the right person for this job, but I'll give it a try. You might want to send for Huang Ting, the watchmaker. This is more up his alley.
I'm sure the problem is something really minor.
Oh. Your bird is dead. Of course, it has never really been alive. Maybe the watchmaker can figure this thing out.
Ooh, I want to see how this thing works since the day I first saw it.
Do you think you can fix it?
I'll certainly take a look. Fascinating. Absolutely fascinating.
But can you fix it?
A true work of art with such beautiful workings. I'd be honored to give it a try.
Do you think you can do it before sundown?
I'll do my best.